Atomic Energy Commission. It is the governing body of the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. Atomic Energy Commission was first set up in August 1948 in the Department of Scientific Research, which was created a few months earlier in June 1948. The Department of Atomic Energy was set up on August 3, 1954 under the direct charge of the Prime Minister through a presidential order. As per this order, all businesses of the Government of India related to atomic energy and to the functions of the central government under the Atomic Energy Act 1948 were directed to be transacted in the DAE. DAE encompasses all the areas related to power and non-power applications of atomic energy. The department has the mandate of development of nuclear power technology, which includes exploration, identification and processing of uranium resources and atomic minerals, fabrication of nuclear fuel, production of heavy water, construction and operation of nuclear power plants, nuclear fuel reprocessing and waste management. DAE is also responsible for research and development of fast reactors and fusion technologies, accelerator and laser technology, advanced electronics and instrumentation, material science, biological science, etc. As part of non-power applications of atomic energy, the department carries out cutting-edge research and development for the application of isotopes and radiation technologies for healthcare, food and agriculture, industry and the environment. Subsequently, in accordance with the government resolution dated March 1, 1958, the Atomic Energy Commission was established in the Department of Atomic Energy. The Atomic Energy Commission is responsible for formulating the policy of Department of Atomic Energy. The Secretary to the Government of India is the DAE's ex officio chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. The other members of the Atomic Energy Commission are appointed for each calendar year on the recommendation of the Atomic Energy Commission chairman and after approval by the Prime Minister. Headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Who is the first chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission? Homi Jahangir Bhabha was the first chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. He served from 1948 to 1966.